subscribers, it is I, the Great Mirror Father, and today I'm going to show you all a really good, easy technique if you guys want to get in on some spaces. If you guys are trying to paint something, here's one way. Black nail polish. Now, if you guys think I'm crazy with this, I was born crazy. So guys, here's kind of like an apartment. This stuff, the door on it white. We're going to paint the white on it black. And this thing right here, the wood, we're going to leave it the same color, but we're going to probably maybe color this black. Nah, I think we'll do this thing black. And as you see, this is stuff from me and Mom painting the floor. Yes, we own a house, which is pretty good. So if you guys want to own a house, you just work hard, get really good people who you can trust, and you're golden. And if you want to get an easy tactic, instead of going to stores to grab gallons of paint, you could grab 2 of these for easy to do the doors, like to get them back on the exact same color. But the gallon of paint thing could work if you try to do the floors and the walls or something. Now, for instance, as you see from these walls right here, I will be showing all of you guys how to do these things with wallpaper. Not just any wallpaper, Egyptian wallpaper. People will be like, "Did you go to Egypt? Where are you right now? Are you in Egypt?" Guys, my best thing I love the most is Egypt. And one day, if I have like 10K subscribers, I want to make tons of money and get that money to charity and get money saved up for me to go to Egypt, because that is my lifelong dream. Let's do this as soon as I come back from a place. I have to go real quick, so I don't think we'll have enough time. But as soon as I return, we're going to do these. So, here we go. See you all soon. I'm going to be making some gingerbread houses with some friends of mine. And I'll see you all later. And when I come back, I will probably snuggle with this cute little wonder. Meow. You want to say that again? No? Okay. Look how much she loves her mama. You a little sphinx. Hey, you gonna give me a love bite? No, no, no. When a cat gives a love bite, they do it not because they want to hurt you, it's because they love you. And yeah. I'm making up the time I lost when I locked the cats in my bedroom in the apartment, because the house here lost the heating system. So we had to take the cats in, the baby cats, Samantha, Sebastian, and I lost my time with Bella. She is right here, is my familiar, my best friend since 2009. And this is what my grandmother gave me. Yeah. I'm trying to make up the time I lost. I think it was like a month and a half when Bella was not in my room. But I did take really good extra care of Bella when she was out. And yeah. Anyways, we're going to do the door as soon as I return, so I might go in a different outfit when I go back on the screen, back on the channel, but I will be right back. Okay, Bella, honey, sweetheart, I want you to hold down the fort until I return, okay? Hold down the fort. I believe in you, Bella. I believe in you. I got this gun. Yeah. Will you hold down the fort? She's like, I don't care. Leave. I know you're going to leave. I'm giving myself a bath. Okay. Wait, before I leave, I want to give you a goodbye kiss. Little kissy woo. Okay, see you all later. Okay, guys, I have returned, and it's a really good tactic. I don't know if I can do this with one hand of opening this, so I'm gonna do it with two. Alright, so I just thought of this amazing idea. So now you can use black nail polish, or you could use literally black paint. Literally something of blackness could work. But the nail polish could work because the brush has a very small tip and a small brush in order to use it. So yeah. It's about like getting the edges completely clear. Just like that. But it's okay if you get one wrong spot. I mean, it wouldn't be the end of the world. So, I don't know how many times you would use this nail polish. I'll just say you got a couple more places to hit for it to turn back to normal. So yeah, you gotta have some inches and it's gotta be completely good. Like that. We're almost like literally halfway done. And that took about 2 minutes to do. Now, if you get like a glob of this, it will be wet, which is good. And more wet means more darker. But you gotta be careful when it gets globby and stuff. So it doesn't drip. You gotta scrape off the drippiness from the bottom so it doesn't drip because it just started to drip. Just like that. Now, 4 minutes, and it's like entirely much better. And I will warn you, you will get nail polish in your legs. I mean, you will get nail polish on your legs. And it will not be, it'll be fun. It's like getting paint on you. And if you want to get it off, just take a shower. Or just get a face cloth. If you want to speed up the process, just get a glob of paint. I mean, a glob of nail polish. Because right here, it's a bit easy. And I should know. I use nail polish on some of my Beyblades, like purple, like for instance for Luminor, so that the purple of its purple gem on Brutal Luminor could shine. Even the metal version is awesome, but I want to have the purple stay there. And plus the nail polish will actually be really, really good if the if the sticker stain starts wearing out and fading. You could put it in your pocket. You could melt this and that. Yeah. And plus, doing this, it can actually make your entire door handle shine. It will literally shine. And we are DONE. We are all done. So, as you see, it's perfect. But I wouldn't mind painting here just to get it more in shape and color. And plus, if you record doing this with one hand, I will warn you, your arm will start hurting. Alright. Let me get you guys up close. See what I'm doing. And plus, if you got leftover, you can actually use some nail polish. Or if you guys like nail polish, you can paint your nails. You can, if you like doing war heroes, you can actually use that. Okay. Glob of paint. Now, why I'm doing this is because I want everything to match up. I want it to look brand new. And we're done. And that's how you make a nice and shiny door handle. Okay, guys, I'm going to sign off. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And wait a minute. There's still white on there. You know the drill. We got the drill. Yes, we do. So whatever you do not open this door. Do not even attempt to open this door. Because you will probably have to restart it. You probably have to wait like 5 minutes. But if you see any white spots on it, you have to cover it. You've got to cover it. But don't do it too much. Otherwise, it will take forever for it to dry off. And if you have to go to the bathroom, you would have to hold your bladder. And you would want to do is you would have to cover every inch, every last detail to make it look nice, shiny, clean, and really good. All in all, that's the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, and artists beware. We got a door handle painter on the loose. Bye, guys.